guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, Organic Skin Japan sent me a box full of body care. So it's going to be an unboxing with me. So in their box, it says Organic Skin, Nature's Answer to Skincare. Oh, nice. So, ito yung laman niya. May card dito with my name. Very good yung air. So nice. So it says, as a big thanks from us, we're sending over this skincare set that we had especially picked out just for you. And so we're excited to know about what you think about this organic skin goodies. So I've already tried yung ibang laman nito. Yun na lang. Hindi ko muna sasabihin ko ano. Kasi magka-unboxing nga. Ayan. May padkala. So, ito yung laman niya. They sent me 4 of their products. So, first, gamit ko na to kaya may bawas. Ito, this is their body wash. Their papaya and kojic plus calamansi liquid soap. Face and body wash intensive whitening. So pwede siya sa face, di lang puro body lang. So, the next product here is Organic Skin Intimate Booty Scrub. It says here, it's for lightening exfoliant with natural scrub. Nagamit ko na din to. Color pink siya sa loob. And ito, hindi ko pa ito naggamit. This one, ito yung bar naman. Papaya and kojic bar soap with arbutin plus licorice and bearberry. So, parang matchy sila nung liquid soap kanina. Kasi itong bar. And last product I have here is their underarm cream. So, all natural, no harmful chemicals. Ito, malit lang siya. This is 30 grams. And yun lang yung laman ng box. And also, you can check them on Facebook and Instagram at Organic Skin Japan. And speaking of, Organic Skin Japan is having their sale this September 15. So, 5 pesos off, no minimum spend. So, if I were you, I'm gonna check out on them. Shopee especially. And for more updates, just check on their IG account because they are active. So, thank you so much, Organic Skin Japan, for sending me this.